Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the OtterBox wallet. This is a soft touch durable material for cards and cash pockets, and it's MagSafe compatible. This is the iPhone 12 mini. As you can see, the MagSafe circular magnet right here, and you can store stuff here, and you have these two pockets right here, and it's MagSafe, ready to go for your iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. And it's made by OtterBox, and it's pretty simple. They also make a case for the iPhone 12 Pro mini, or 12 mini actually, which I'll show in just a moment, and you can attach this to the case as well because it also has the MagSafe magnets. But it's a very strong magnet. I can pick up the whole phone with just the magnetized wallet right there. So it's pretty easy, and it looks nice, and also works with their cases. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.